Einstein's political and social views. A genius who fought for peace. Albert Einstein wasn't just a genius in physics. He was also a fearless advocate for peace, civil rights, and global unity. Despite revolutionizing science, he spent much of his life warning humanity about war, nationalism, and the dangers of nuclear weapons. What did Einstein believe about politics and society? And why do his warnings still matter today? Let's explore. Einstein's fight for peace. Einstein lived through 2 world wars, and he saw firsthand how science could be used for destruction. At first, he supported developing the atomic bomb to stop Nazi Germany. But after World War II, he deeply regretted it. He warned the world about the dangers of nuclear weapons. He spoke out against war and urged countries to seek peace. He advocated for global unity instead of nationalism. His famous quote, "Mankind invented the atomic bomb, but no mouse would ever construct a mousetrap." In other words, humans create their own destruction, and Einstein fought to stop it. Civil rights and global unity. Einstein wasn't just focused on science. He was also a strong advocate for human rights. He spoke out against racism in the U.S., calling it America's worst disease. He fought for civil rights, supporting figures like W.B. Du Bois and Paul Robeson. He believed in a united world, free from discrimination and hatred. Einstein didn't just think differently, he acted differently. While many scientists stayed silent, he used his fame to fight for justice and equality. Einstein's warning about nationalism. Einstein feared that blind nationalism, putting one's country above everything, would lead to war. He believed in cooperation, not division. He saw science and knowledge as tools for unity, not destruction. He urged world leaders to create a peaceful, global society. His words still echo today as the world faces conflicts, nuclear threats, and political tensions. Was Einstein ahead of his time, or was he trying to save us from ourselves? Final thoughts. Einstein's legacy in politics and society. Albert Einstein wasn't just a scientist. He was a visionary for peace and justice. He fought for human rights. He warned against nationalism and war. He believed unity was the key to a better future. His words still inspire leaders, scientists, and activists today. What do you think about Einstein's political views? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.